Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने thumbnail में पढ़ लिया होगा, today we're going to talk about the 20th season of Roadies, aka Roadies XX, with double fun because we have our very favorite, very dear Ranvijay Sinha, yani ki Ranvijay sir, back on the show. So without any further ado, let's begin. But if you're new in my channel, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And also, don't forget to comment down your thoughts on it. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so आज का जो वोट आउट है, that was the first vote out of this season of Roadies. हालांकि इसके पहले वाले एपिसोड में एल्विश और प्रिंस के गैंग से एक एक कंटेस्टेंट एलिमिनेट हो गए थे, but that was not the vote out. Vote out is the zone. Vote out is that dumping ground जहाँ पे लोगों को डंप किया जाता है, जहाँ पे लोगों को एलिमिनेट किया जाता है, and there's a lot of internal politics that is going on in the campsite. तो ये देखना हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए तो बहुत दिलचस्प होता ही है, but it is also very interesting for the contestants क्योंकि जब तक वो बाहर आते उनको ये चीज पता नहीं होती कि किसने उन लोगों के लिए वोट आउट करा था on that campsite, so it becomes a big mystery to solve for them and it is a lot of politics I believe अगर मैं सोचूं तो उस हिसाब से. तो आज के पूरे एपिसोड में जो है वोटिंग दिखाई गई है. पहले सबको ये लगा कि सबके पास एक द विनिंग गैंग यानी कि गैंग रिया और गैंग नेहा के पास 5 इम्यूनिटीज है. एज रिया वाज up to a kind of word to Yashvi and Rishabh ki if you walk off, I'm going to give you that immunity. But having said that, she had done a barter with Gang Elvish and Gang Prince ताकि रिया का गैंग आगे के लिए भी सेफ रहे. So she gave 3 immunities to the ones who played the game and 2 immunities she's distributed in Gang Prince and in Gang Elvish. So Gang Elvish से gang leader नेहा ने सेव किया योगेश को, saying that he is the longest contestant in Gang Elvish and उन्होंने इम्यूनिटी दी मन्नू को, saying that he is the strongest from Gang Prince. तो इस तरीके से जो है योगेश और मन्नू सेव हो गए. अब द चैलेंज वाज, सब सारे गैंग लीडर्स को पता था समवेयर डाउन द लाइन कि गुल्लू वाज टू बी वोटेड आउट. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम रणविजय गेव अ ट्विस्ट कि 4000 रोडियम्स में आप एक इम्यूनिटी खरीद सकते हो. अब वो 4000 रोडियम्स आएंगे कहां से? नाउ द गैंग लीडर्स वर थिंकिंग कि ये हमारे कलिंग राउंड से जो हमारे बचे हुए हैं दोज मे बी, बट द ट्विस्ट इज अगर आप किसी 4 कंटेस्टेंट्स के वोटिंग राइट्स छीन लेते हो, यानी कि एक कंटेस्टेंट का 1000 रोडियम, एक कंटेस्टेंट का वोटिंग राइट इज इक्वल टू 1000 रोडियम्स, तो फिर ऐसे करके अगर आप 4 कंटेस्टेंट्स के वोटिंग राइट्स छीन लेते हो तो आपके पास 4000 रोडियम्स हो जाते हैं. एंड इन दिस वे यू हैपन टू गेन और बाय 1 immunity and give that to somebody who needs it. So Elvish did a very smart move to save Gullu, who's one of his strongest. So I'm going to quickly tell you Elvish ने किस का voting right छीना. He took away the voting right of Vinod, Suruchi, Yogesh and Shubhangi. Since Yogesh was saved, Shubhangi was saved, Suruchi and Vinod is, as you guys know, has been voted out, has been eliminated. Bad luck to him because actually वो target नहीं था, but he was voted out because people wanted to target Gang Elvish. किसी ना किसी को Gang Elvish की तरफ से vote out करना जरूरी था because they thought that Gang Elvish was strong and to make them weak was to reduce the numbers. तो vote out किया गया. The only one option left, क्योंकि योगेश सेफ था, विनोद सेफ था, हरताज भी सेफ था. The only one option left in his gang was Vinod, so Vinod was voted out. तो इस तरीके से जो है voting rights नेहा ने, प्रिंस ने, रिया ने नहीं छीना and the first voting right was given by these gang leaders to the contestants. अब क्या हुआ कि Ranvijay started opening the chits one by one. That you'll get to know if you watch the episode, so don't forget to watch the episode also and then come see this review. तो इसमें क्या हुआ कि जब flashback में दिखाते हैं ना कि किसने किसको vote out किया है, that flash card opening and saying that oh you don't do this, oh you don't do that, and then why wouldn't I vote you, वो बहुत dramatic लगता है मुझे. ये हमेशा से लगता था. Since few years I'm not watching Roadies, but this year since Ranvijay sir is back, I'm going to say it again, I love him a lot. He's very dearly. मैंने बचपन से Roadies में रणविजय सिन्हा को देखा है and I always paralleled him with Roadies. So Ranvijay sir is back for me to watch Roadies again. He is one of the biggest reasons. So coming back to the topic, जिनको votes मिले, that was Vinod 15 votes, Hina 2 votes, Harsh 4 votes from Gang Neha, Alfia got 9 votes, Rishabh got 8 votes and Ruchita got 14 votes. So Ruchita was from Gang Neha and Vinod was from Gang Elvish. So Vinod was eliminated and the next highest vote, the person who's got the next highest votes was Ruchita. Ruchita, as Neha said, has got a lot of fire in her Ruchita was very fiery. She was fighting. She was using, I guess she was speaking in Maharashtrian. I'm sorry. So Ruchita was very much fiery, and she had that zeal to be on the show, and she was not feeling fine to go. So I guess she has high chances of coming back as wildcard. Also, I think that Devanshi, who was eliminated a day prior in the show due to performance issues by Elvish from Gang Elvish, might as well be that वो भी वापस आए show में as a wildcard. So these were the voting things. बीच में नेहा को लगा था she'll lose her most expensive roadie, which is Harsh, जो कि नेहा को लगता है कि he is the strongest of a gang. तो उनको लगा था कि Harsh will be eliminated out because Harsh को 4 votes मिले थे. And by the time Harsh was saying कि मैम मुझे बहुत मजा आता है जब कोई मुझे competition समझता है, and Neha was like, dude, were you even saying if I was on your position right now, I'd be scared, I'd be afraid. So that was a thing, that was a twist. So yeah, that's about it. आज का episode इतना ही था. That's about it. You are gonna let me know in the comments down below कि आपको क्या लगता है कि अभी तक वो कौन सी फ्रेंडशिप है जो आपको दिखाई दी है. According to me, मुझे जो बंदा लगता है who has established connections is Rohit. Rohit has got really strong connections, and also he played really hard, and he played really well in the last episode, so he was the star performer as well. So I think that Rohit has established good relations, and he has established his foot in the game. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think that Harsh was over smart today? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you next time with another review episode of Roadies Double X. Till then, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button as usual. Show me some love, guys. And also, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.